Yeah, and I guess Zach's comments, I mean, even the comments of Gary also kind of moved me in a direction of thinking about now data management in a different way. Not necessarily from the technology standpoint, because I think, to be honest with you, I think the technology is going to be easy. It's going to sort of fall out. There are going to be technologies that work with sort of within that environment, and those that don't, and those are just the ones that don't are going to really fall by the wayside.
Right.
You know, you've heard Hadoop mentioned a couple of times. They're sort of the leader in this space as far as being able to be agile enough to kind of really work in this area. But I would really now like to focus more on the people aspect of it.
Okay.
One of the things that I do when I go to speak to a lot of the academic institutions, I have a couple of discussions with them. I said, so one, if you look at your IT curriculum, how much is it focused on system administration with the cloud coming? And because I look at the example of the Oak Ridge National Laboratory, which houses two of the fastest supercomputers in the world, they manage that facility with 10 individuals, 24/7.
Wow.
That tells you about the ratio as far as the number of servers or capabilities that they have to the support system. The other piece of it is when we start talking about data management and metadata, so on and so forth, I think data management within our academic institutions now needs to become just like English and algebra. It needs to be taught across the board, because we're not just publishing data now in the scientific community, we're publishing it, data is created everywhere. I mean,
Right.
I think it's about, the world's data doubles every 1.8 years, right?
Wow.
And so the thing that we've got to now begin to think about is how do we catch folks at the very beginning of their academic career and build data management discipline into the way in which they structure their data, the way they think about data in general, which is a huge change in the way
Absolutely.
that our kids are taught today.
Absolutely.
And so that way, when they get into the workplace, when they get into the NOAAs and the NASAs of the world, or even EMC or any of on the private sector, they now are conversant in sort of data management skills. So we create sort of a baseline capability.
That is